Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to scan QR code on your Telegram. So here, as you can see on your screen, I have the Android device and your iOS device. So I will show you how you can scan QR code from iOS device and then from Android device. So first up here on your iPhone or iOS device, you just need to go to your photo gallery. So there's no need for a third-party app to basically scan your QR code. So you just have to go to your home screen, and then from here, just need to go to your photos or photo gallery. So right from here, just look at your screenshot or the code that you received from someone, and then tap on hold on that code, and then it will show you this option here. So it's very easy. You just need to tap on open in Telegram or open in Safari. So if we're going to tap on open in Telegram, well, eventually it will automatically open your Telegram application. So there you go. Now, if you're using your Android device and you want to scan a QR code on your Telegram, so all you need to do here, you just need to have a third-party app, which is the Google Photo. So to do that, you just have to go to your Google Play Store. So if you don't have this app yet, so go to your Google Play Store and you have to search on the search box Google Photo or Google Photos right there. So tap on that. And basically, you just need to update, install, or open this application. So once you open this app, go to that QR code that you received, and then you just have to tap on the Google Lens button at the bottom right, and it will automatically scan that QR code. So as you can see, you have three options: go to website, copy URL, or share. So in this sample, I just want to tap on this website right here at the bottom left, and it will automatically open up this one here. So you can basically select your Telegram app, and then once you select on the Telegram app, it will automatically open your Telegram, and you can definitely chat with that account. So follow all those simple steps to basically scan the QR code. So if you're using iOS device, you just need to go to your photo or photo gallery and scan that QR code. If you're using Android, then you need to download and install the Google Photos to basically scan that QR code, and it will automatically open your Telegram application. And that's it. That's how you basically scan QR code on Telegram using iOS and Android device. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.